Talk weather. Jeremy, good to have you back, by the way. Missed you during that break. You're looking a little tan, my friend.
Yeah.
So you clearly were not here in the northern hemisphere.
No, I was not.
Oh, good to hear.
Yeah.
But let's talk weather here, because last week was kind of, I don't know if boring is the right term, but not a whole lot going on. This week already seems more active.
I'm going to let you know where all of this moisture is coming from, where all of this warm weather is coming from, and I might have brought it back with me. So if you want the snow and cold, I do too. Hey, Char. Unfortunately, there's not much of a chance of snow or cold in the next few days. Rain and snow tapers off later on tonight, but we're in it right now and in it pretty good. I can actually hear rain coming down. Likely another icy commute tomorrow and probably Wednesday. More rain and snow in the forecast as we get into the second half of the week. Kind of a full-on atmospheric river. This thing's coming in from the south, really hitting California. So all those folks down in LA, that's what rain feels like, and it's not as bad as you think it is. Up here, it's moisture coming in from the south, so that bumps our temperatures up enough that a lot of us see rain. Rain is the most efficient way to melt snow and ice other than a high sun angle and warm temperatures. That's kind of this time of year. But what happens with rain is we do wind up seeing a lot of that become compact or turn into more ice, and that is going to hang on as we head through the remainder of the evening. We'll see a little bit more of that kind of move into Montana. Winter weather advisory is in place for western Montana for a few inches of snow. That works its way out, and tomorrow afternoon we might just see a little sunshine. Maybe on Wednesday as well. I know, right? A little sun, that sounds crazy. All right, mountain passes, a little bit of snow and ice continuing, but those do wind up improving the next couple of days. Almost a direct shot of atmospheric moisture now, but another storm back behind it is our next chance at some widespread showers. But one thing of note, look at this. It almost started over in Hawaii and then all the way back up and over, almost to Pineapple Express, and that's where all that warm and, well, rain came from. I brought some of it back, you know, it's a rainy season down there right now. All right, so as we move through, that storm moves off to the north. Our next one winds up moving in, and this thing once again does almost the exact same thing. A southerly flow of moisture. That means warmer temperatures and a lot of rain. It is likely by the time we end this week, we get the better part of an inch of rain in many low elevation areas. So unfortunately, this January thaw continues. I'm doing my best. Longer range forecast models suggest maybe we get rid of the 40s, but for now, just know it's going to be mild next couple mornings. Could be a bit icy.